Okay, hello everyone. In previous video lecture, we discussed an algorithm for an NQ operation to insert an element into two data structure. Now we are discussing an algorithm for DQ operation or a deletion operation. In this algorithm also, we are having four different steps. Those are step 1 equal to, if front equal to null, then print Q is underflow, exit, come out from the loop, else go to second step, that is element equal to Q of front is the deletion operation which is performing and delete an element from the Q data structure, which is going to delete an data element from the Q data structure. Step 3, if front equal to rear, then means I try to deleting element from the front pointer, I delete this 0th index element, first index element, second index element and third index element. Now both pointer front and rear pointer are pointing to the same value or the same index, then we need to, after deletion we need to be reset front pointer and rear pointer to 0. Else we need to be increase simply front pointer to +1, front pointer to +1. In previous video lecture, we simply increasing the rear pointer and inserting an element into the specified location. Now in this location, we are deleting an element. While we deleted an element, we need to be increase the front pointer from current position to its next position. That is a simple concept which is behind this deletion operation. Because we need to maintain two different things. If I be discussing insertion algorithm, I simply increase the rear pointer and insert an element. Now I need to delete an element from this Q data structure. I simply the element which is pointing to the front pointer, I need that element and increase the front pointer. The simple concept which is behind this deletion or the DQ algorithm. Now we are going to discuss. Now we are going to be tracing this algorithm. How we are going to performing deletion operation with respect to this example. Initially, I initialize front equal to 3. Rear equal to 3, front equal to 0 and n equal to -1, n equal to 4. Front pointer is pointing to the 0th index of and 0th index of Q, and the rear pointer is pointing to a 3rd index of Q. Because I took a full Q, now I want to perform a deletion operation for this algorithm. Step 1, if front is equal to null, what is the front pointer? Front pointer is 0. 0 is equal to null, condition becomes false, because if Q does not contain any elements, then it is not possible to delete an element from the Q depth structure. So front is equal to null, condition becomes false, come out from the loop, element equal to Q of front, element is 10, 10 equal to Q of front is 0. Now I am going to be deleting first element of the Q, first element of the Q, first element of the Q. I deleted first element of the Q. Now, if front equal to rear, what is front? 3. Front is 3, rear is 0. 3 is equal to 0, condition becomes false. Else part, front equal to front plus 1. Front equal to front plus 1. Now, front is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, I need to increase front pointer to the first index of I. First index of I did first element. Now I am going to be repeating this loop. Once again I am going to delete an element. Now what is front pointer? Front pointer is 1. 1 is equal to null, condition becomes false, come out from the loop. Front pointer Q of front is 1, Q of front 1 is Q of front 1, Q of front 1 contains element 20. 20 is going to be removing from this Q, 20 is removing from this Q. Now, if front, what is front value? Front value is 1. 1 is equal to 0. No, condition becomes false. Condition becomes false. Sorry, rear is 3. Rear is 3. Now you need to make a correction. Rear is 3. 1 equal to 3. Condition becomes false. Come out from the loop. Front equal to front plus 1. What is front value? Front value is 1. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 2. Now front pointer is increased to second index of q. Second index of q. Now front is 2. Again 2 is equal to null. Condition becomes false. Come out from the loop. Q of second index. Q of second index contains element 30. Q of second index contains element 30. 30 is going to be deleted from this 2. 30 is going to be deleted from this 2. Now, what is front value? Front value is 2. 2 is equal to 3. Condition becomes false. Come out from the loop. Now, increase front equal to front plus 1. Front value is 2. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now, front pointer is increased to third index. Third index. Now, you need to see this. How these front pointer and rear pointer are reorganized by 0th index. Now front pointer and rear pointer both are pointing to same index, same element. Because I used the front pointer to delete the element which is inserted in the cube. Because I am going to be deleting from another end, that is front end. While I started deleting all the elements, now front pointer and rear pointer are pointing to the same elements. Now I am going to delete what will happen. See this one. Now front pointer is 3. 3 equal to null. 3 equal to null. Now condition becomes false. Come out from the loop. Element third, that is q of front is third index. In third index I showed an element 40. 40 is going to be deleted. 40 is going to be deleted. Now q does not contain any element. If q does not contain any element, then we need to reset these 2 pointers to 0. Right? Now see this one. Front, if front is equal to 3, rear equal to 3, both are pointing to same index. If both are pointing to same index, now I need to reset front pointer and rear pointer to 0. Front pointer and rear pointer to 0. Now both become 0. Now front pointer and rear pointer, which is reset to a 0th index of an cube. 0th index of a cube. Next, it does not execute else for because it is executed 2 set of statements. Come out from the loop. It is how we are going to perform the deletion operation. Now you try to delete an element from this cube. Now I deleted all the elements. Front pointer is 0 is nothing but which is it is going to be initializing to a null index. It is going to be initializing to a null index. I deleted all the elements. I try to delete an element from this cube. See what will happen. Front is 0. 0 means null. Null is equal to null. Null is equal to null. Yes, condition becomes true. Then it is going to display print q is underflow. Means q does not contain any element. It is not possible to delete an element from the q data structure. It is how we are going to performing deq operation or a deletion operation on q data structure. You need to be remember whatever the element which we are deleted, those should be deleted with respect to front pointer. Because it has 2 different ends, rear end, front end. Rear end for insertion, front end for deletion. In this also the same concept. If you want to delete, simply increase the front pointer and the delete which is the element which is pointing to front pointer, or the element which is pointed by front pointer, that element should be removed from the cube data structure.